fucked me up when they killed Dre. It was his birthday, he died the same day. Had a couple kids he never got a chance to meet. I think about him so much, it's hard for me to think. When I close my eyes, his face the only thing I see. But I'ma ride, cause he'd do the same if he was me. I never thought after them years that the pain would still be here. I used to be scared to live, now I'm living with no fear. Nigga got me fucked up. If you catch me, then they got me. But if I got it, I'ma bust. Nigga, what? You can catch this whole clip. I got a chopper for your squad, and I let this bitch rip. If you been through what I've been through, you'll be on the same shit. Niggas claim that they your niggas, and they down to hit a lick. So y'all get jammed up, then get locked, and then he snitch. Been a G since day one, I'm still a G, I never switch. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I know I can never quit. I'ma go out like a G before I go out like a bitch. It can happen anytime when you live the life I live. But don't get the wrong conception, they're wrong with the wrong idea. Cause when I shoot for free, cause bitch, your life ain't shit to me.